You know, I don't know how to answer that. I don't know. I just love to get up and go. I just can't. I just love the thought of being able to walk out that door every morning, go to the shop, which would be an old habit, you know, but it's a good habit, and just have the opportunity to I'm gonna have during the day, what opportunities I'm gonna have to look after what needs to be looked after that day. Those challenges drive you. Being a farmer today in America is probably one of the better ways of life if you can make a living at it. Being an American farmer is it's just a prideful occupation. Certainly it has its drawbacks, but it gives you a life of freedom that lets you just enjoy what you do. Just being an American farmer, I think, is probably the greatest job that anybody could ever ask for. Me, life without it, I wouldn't even know how to live, I don't think. But it's just a good way of life. I reckon it's the only way I can explain it. I hope they'll look back at me and realize that whatever we have is God's. And God gave me the opportunity to take what we have and look after it. What little time we were here. And I left it at a better place than it was when I started.